the new axles showed up. So let's see if they're going to be the right length. This is from, these are Turner axles, oversized axles. So we will see what we got. Hope I'm getting this on camera. Okay. If you ask me, that's still too damn long. I think it's still too long. Oh, crap. Well, let's find out, I guess. Well, I got it in the spindle. Now I got to hook the bottom up. See if it works. Okay, got it in. I'm suspecting it works because the limiting strap is stretched out all the way. And it turns. So I'll go with that. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but I'll put the blue Loctite on when I get ready to torque this, but the torque on this is 200 to 220. So I'll do that after I get the other one in and make sure it works. Still got to hook the brakes up. So let's try the other one. Maybe I'll be in business. Maybe I'll be able to go riding. Okay. Let's see if we can get this in there. Oh, now I don't want to come unhooked. That gum thing. Okay. Well, there it is, hooked up. See if I can get this in. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Got to get it up though to get the bolt in. There. That wasn't so bad. I think it might work. I think it might work. It'd be fun getting the shock back in though. But it made me a tool, so we'll see how that goes. Well, might work. Might work. Seems to go up and down okay. Guess we'll see. Okay, guess I'll torque them. Okay, I got this torque wrench from my nephew. It's a snap-on. I got it set for 210. $214. Okay. Whoa. 213. Okay. I got it. Now I just gotta stake them. That's a nice torque wrench. Okay. Okay, I hope that's how you do it. Next, the brake calipers. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Because of the longer bolts, I had to clear it here on the inner fender. Okay. This side. There. Okay. Works like a champ. Okay. Okay, I got the first shock adjusted. Approximately 3 1/4 to the top ring. Boy, that's tight now, boy. So on to the next one, and then zip tie the brake line. I guess put my A-arm protectors on and then put the tires on. Hopefully I'll be riding next week. We shall see. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, there it is. Those are some big buggers. Okay. Okay, I got it all front all ready. Hubs on, torqued, cotter pins, shocks, brake line zip tied, CV boot. I might have to look at some aftermarket ones, but ready to get it. Put the tires on, see how it goes. Let's see. So, pretty excited to get it on and go for a ride. Probably won't be able to do that for a couple of days, but getting close. Okay. There's that pretty front end. Halo locker. Turner Eagle axles. Yeah. Okay. More to come in a few, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna test out the new differential and see if it works like it's supposed to. When it's in 4-wheel drive, it's supposed to be, I should have 3-wheel drive, if that makes sense. So I'm going to see if that works, and then when I lock it, I'm going to see if both of them lock up like they're supposed to. So.
everything in quick.
Yeah. Once I got the right axles.
Yeah.
Okay, the next video will be up in the dirt. Thanks for watching.